Who said? What happened to ice cream? You know I love ice cream. You know how much I've been craving ice cream these days. Like, if you leave me, I could take ice cream for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and you know it. And the reason why I did not take ice cream like a few days back is because I was like, okay, I'm watching my weight, we shouldn't be taking ice cream. You know it. So you know that if you should mention ice cream, I'll be like, okay, I'll give you that little smile I always have, right? But then you did not even go further because I refused your chicken. So you're like, hey, she has refused the chicken. You could have offered ice cream. If ice cream did not work, you should have offered shawarma. Something would definitely work. But you didn't try anything else. You did not try anything else. If chicken did not work, you should have tried something else. So now it's supposed to be my fault that you offered me chicken and I refused. So I'm the reason why the fiction continued happening. No. The fiction continued because of you. You did not go an extra mile. You did not go an extra mile because you were also pissed at that point. Let's get that point straight. Okay, so now your excuse for the fiction continuing is because of me, right? Because of the fact that, okay, when I'm pissed, I just want the person to like, wait, don't speak to me. That's your excuse. But do you even realize I was not pissed? You know that if I'm pissed, that's not the way I would talk. You know it. I don't talk like that when I'm pissed. When I'm pissed, there's this kind of way I talk. I speak English. If I'm not speaking English for you, just know that I'm being friendly. I'm in my happiest mood, right? And I wasn't even pissed. I was not, because they said if one person is angry, the other person should not be angry. The two people should not be angry at the same time. So, and I really understand that everything that happened was kind of like my fault. Maybe not my fault, because why shouldn't I eat food in your house? If I ate food in your house and it finished, how is that supposed to be my fault? But then I took responsibility, right? I ordered food for you. So, you saying you don't know what to do is not even valid, because firstly, I was not even angry. And if I rejected your hand of peace, you should have offered me something else. You know there are tons of things I like, and they are very easy to get. It's not as if you have to travel all the way to Paris to like get me something. It's very within your reach. So you could have just said ice cream. You could have just mentioned ice cream. I don't think I've ever rejected ice cream, even if I would reject chicken when I'm angry. I would not reject ice cream. The thought of not licking the ice cream would really get to me. But the fact that chicken is something I would always just like eat. I know ice cream is the same way, but I would not always like take ice cream every time. They're just like some certain times I'm craving the ice cream. So if you said ice cream, everything will be fine. So what do you mean by you don't know what to do? So you just have to like wait it out. Wait what out? When I was not even pissed. If I was pissed now, I understand. I understand why you were waiting out. I understand why, okay, you didn't want to say anything. And I would come up to you like you said. If I'm that pissed, I would come up to you. But I wasn't even pissed. Let's get that fact.